Hey, what's up? Is your teeth as bad as mine? Let's do something about it. Look at all this. Let me disgust you even more. Look, my mom has the most perfect set of gums I've ever seen. What happened to me? I don't know. But guess what? I have a cure. Probably the Carefor alcohol-free teeth whitening kit. Literally, their brand name is Carefor. They are in Amazon. Right there. Let's read a little bit about them. Teeth whitening strips, 14 treatment kit. Okay. Contains whitening pen, teeth whitening pen, sensitive teeth whitener, peroxide free, enamel, all that good stuff. This will be in my description box, you guys. I may be saying it wrong, but you get what you get. So this is it, the pen, and this is that. I've never used one before, so I can't wait to try it out. Let me Americanize myself. It is $16.99 with that 15% already discounted. Okay. All right. That's it right there. Ultra-Thin natural fit. Only about 0.3 millimeters thick. It fits in your teeth, reducing saliva secretion. Enjoy a comfortable virtual experience. I don't want this video too long. Right there. 30 minutes whitening. Safe for enamel. Look, before and after. Okay. Reality versus expectation. We'll see about that. Look, remove various things like wine, coffee, food, cigarette, chocolate. I know you guys can say this, but some of us, they don't have time to click on the links. That's why I'm doing this. And these are the process of doing it. Okay, let me learn something today. Also, guys, they actually prepared a special, discount or cashback. I'll call it cashback code for me, for my fans, for my subscribers, for my followers. You guys, whatever platform you're watching from YouTube, from Facebook, from Instagram, please go ahead and follow me. If you're not following me on Facebook at La Rosa, follow me on Facebook, Instagram La Rosa. I don't remember the rest of the numbers, and I truly don't care. Follow me there, and when you don't follow me, you guys, please privately inbox me from wherever you're watching. Inbox me and let me know. Also, I forgot. Make sure you go to their website. Their link is going to be in my description box. Make sure you go and you purchase. Make your purchase, like actually buy your stuff, and then privately inbox me. I'm going to give you a code. Use that code and reach back to them. I cannot disclose it here, of course, obviously. So you reach back to them. Just message. You say the support team something. Grab your code, message them, and then they will give you back all your money. I'm not talking of just discount, like the whole thing. You're basically getting it for free. This is for the first 10 fans, according to them. They called it a fan benefit buying or something like that. My head is full. I don't remember half of what I'm saying, but I really thought that was interesting. It's not just discount, you guys. Make sure you follow me. Let me know. Go ahead and buy from their website. Send me, your proof of purchase or something. I'm going to email you a code. You get all your money back. Literally, you get all your money back. I think that's cool. Sorry about the long video. Let's whiten up my teeth. So get close to your teeth and write down the number closest to your current teeth. Okay. So day 1 before and after use. These are the numbers according to how your teeth. Mine is probably here from number 12. Hopefully it gets here. And if I haven't posted this video by then, guys, I'm gonna dedicate myself my time to this. If I haven't posted this video, I'll actually come back after day 12. How many days did they say this is? I'll come back after the amount of days that they instructed and update this video. My teeth to get to the before. And if not, you guys try it out and good luck. Instructions again, guys. You can pause the video and see. It says to tear it open, look in the mirror, and line it up with the edge of your gum and apply gentle pressure. And this is supposed to be used for an hour, but try to leave it for up to 30 minutes. That's kind of what it says. It's good. It actually tastes good, like toothpaste. Now, I may be putting it the opposite way, guys, but I've never used it before, so pardon me. I'll leave it in for at least 30 minutes, and then we'll see. This is the pen. That's the liquid thing coming out, which you can also use. This is just for the sake of the video. Don't put it on top of this. Actually, you can also use it like that. Get the idea. I'm not reducing it. Just like you do your lip balm. Now, how do I feel? A little tingly. Like when you put peppermint. Like peppermint. When you put peppermint. Like I put peppermint in my teeth. Oh god, the trust I have for this company. Testing their product directly and all that stuff. Not even scared. Okay. Go ahead and stay. And then I'll come back. Alright, everybody. Say cheese. Literally, say cheese. I feel like just leaving it like this. It already looks white from afar. Did you bring out anything? What do you think? The same? No? What? Yeah, I feel a little different. After series of treatment, it will be better. Remember what they said. It will get better. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my teeth. So look at me from afar. Say cheese, cheese. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so at this point and grab your copy. Check them out, for real. I'm serious. You guys, let's help our dentition. Whatever they call this. For the sake of old age. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much, Carefor, for the opportunity to review this video. I really appreciate it. And if I like it, please, I need some more. Probably not going to be free this time. Bye.